Hello students, today we have taken the topic that is bread on a plate with watercolors. So as you know that we have first of all finished with our sketching. We have made our plate and 3 slices of the bread on that. So after that the first layer is with the yellow ochre color. Just I have taken the yellow ochre color and dilute it with the water and applied on the base side of the bread. Then I come up with the lemon yellow color and applied on the sides of the bread and mix some yellow ochre on the second layer on the sides of the bread only. So with the third layer I started with the burnt sienna color. Now 3 colors we have mixed: lemon yellow, medium yellow and the burnt sienna over here. On the base of the bread, as you can observe that I have applied little bit Persian blue shade so that it just go in the grays somewhere, not in the yellows. So the base and the sides, the second and third layer we have completed with the bread slices. Now we are moving to the darkest portions of the bread. Here I have started with a little bit burnt umber and burnt sienna and giving the little detailing over there. So side by side plate is also there, so we want to show the shadows under the slice of the bread, and I started with a little bit ivory black there to give the depth in the plate. And now we are using the 000 brush and starting with the detailing where the plate detailing in the plate and the slices required. So I have taken the burnt umber bluntly, the third darkest tone, and I started with the edges over there and where I want to show the shadows, and the area where I want to show the light areas I have left it is like that only with the medium yellow and the yellow ochres. So you can see clearly here I have shown the darkest, middle and the lighter tones. Somewhere I need to be show the shadows, so I am again putting some dark ivory black under the slides, so where I want to show the depth on the plate. The slices are shown. There are 3 slices of the bread on the screen, which is overlapped with one on another. So here we need to be show the depth also, so I have put some Persian blue little bit and the black, ivory black somewhere. Now on the bread I have shown some spots as we observed on the bread slices normally. So I have taken the burnt umber and the burnt sienna a little bit and diluted in the plate, so make this color and applied on the top of the bread slices, and where on the side of the slides also I have used the same color burnt umber and the Persian blue somewhere. And here you can see clearly the light areas are very much clear on the slices of the bread and the sides of the bread, and you can observe that it is finished now. Thank you students, and just observe it properly and do practice with that.